Hey there, we got the new iPad mini 6th generation, and I'm going to tell you why I think this is the perfect traveling device to have on you. The size of this thing mimics your favorite notebook. It's a one-hander for large hands, but with its light weight, using two hands, it's almost weightless. It can fit in a winter jacket, it can fit in a raincoat, it can fit in any of your oversized pockets. Plus, I'm always carrying it around in my backpack in a laptop or tablet holder. So having this on the go is super easy. So these new iPad minis are loaded with the new A15 chip, the same one used in the iPhone 13. So these little tablets are fast. I'm able to use multiple apps at the same time due to the larger screen size, yet it feels familiar like a phone, like an iPhone, like a really oversized iPhone. So all my favorite apps are on there, but unlike the iPhone, I now have a pencil that I can scroll around with, draw with, copy and paste, select things. This is a tool that makes this iPad even more usable. And the way we ingest our media these days, it's nice to switch it up and get it on a different device, get a different user experience, and get off the phone. So on top of everything else, this comes with a great little camera. It's 12 megapixel lens, it takes very clear and detailed photos, and also I use it as a scanner. When I see articles that I want to remember, you just snap a pic. Take a picture of the recipe, and then you can tell the iPad to select that one part that you want, and it turns it all into text for you. From there, you can email it, text it, or do anything you want with it. It is really amazing that we're getting so much power out of these little cameras now. The new camera system also supports center stage tracking, which is a feature that uses the entire wide-angle camera and then tracks you. It zooms in for the appropriate shot. It gives you the right amount of headspace up here. It makes you look good no matter where you are. You can move around. It's following you. It's tracking you. It's very cool. And it also helps your conversations because it makes you more present. You're not worried about how you're looking. Are you in the frame? You can give your full attention to these conversations, and that is priceless. And speaking of prices, these minis start at $500. The one I have here is loaded with as much storage space, which goes to 256 gigabytes. Probably overkill for what I use this thing for, but that takes it up to $650. Add on a pencil and a SmartFolio, and you're getting into the $800 land, which I think is a great price. It's definitely worth it, and it's gonna give you tons of happiness and hours of entertainment. It's great for reading, interneting, traveling, Netflixing and chilling, FaceTiming with family. This is the easy iPad for you. If you're looking for more speed, a larger screen and such, check out the Pro models, but keep in mind these new redesigns are right around the corner. They're going to be dropping these Apple Silicon chips into all the iPads eventually, and they are going to be crazy fast. These are going to be tools that professionals use, but they're going to know the price points that we're going to be willing to pay at, so just be willing to deal with that. So I hope that gave you some more insights on this exciting little device. I definitely recommend it, and thank you for watching.